Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, just wanted to show you guys pre-treating this driveway. This driveway is priced at $267, and basically I'm just hitting it with my X-Jet, being careful not to get it on the grass too much. I'm gonna have to rinse that grass off regardless. I'm just doing my edges now. I need to cover about 15 minutes worth of work because this stuff needs this dwell time, you know? I'm just doing my edges and working my way in. Alright. So yeah, basically that's that max strip, so just trying to make sure these edges get real taken care of because it's pretty black. And I know it's going to take some good degreasing to get this black out. And that's why you see the orange sometimes. I got some degreaser in there. But yeah, I'm going to pause the video and continue working, and I'll be right back. Alright, through the magic of time, I'm back. And I have the whole, well, at least my first area pre-treated. And basically, I'll let this sit for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back with my spinner and spin this. And after I spin it, I got to rinse it. So, you guys saw how green it was right here. I'm going to come back with a second video. I'm not going to record while cleaning because really I forgot my tripod. So yeah, this is the X-Jet series. And I got some nice concrete wash inside of it. And basically, as you see, those soap and bubbles and everything, it's going to start doing their thing. So I got some spaces where I need to cover because the machine was right there. So I'm about to put that X-Jet connector right back again and then cover those spots. Give me a second. Let me go ahead and finish the car. And basically, you don't want this stuff to dry, so you want to look at your spots that are still kind of drying up, and you want to hit those again. And it looks like this whole section is beautifully covered, nice and moist. It should not dry up in 15 minutes. Going to do these edges real quick. Alright, and that should do it. I see y'all in the after footage. Alright then. Thank you again.